The Elves and the Shoemaker. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a shoemaker and his wife. They were poor, but lived a life full of love for each other. As the times grew tougher, the shoemaker realized that he had to use his last remaining piece of leather. "I'll use this final piece to make one last pair of shoes. I really hope they find a buyer." His wife said to him kindly, "The shoes you make are really wonderful. I'm sure something good will happen, I believe it." The shoemaker carefully cut the leather and prepared for shoemaking. Weary from the day's labor, he soon fell asleep. The next morning, the shoemaker and his wife were amazed to find a pair of perfectly made shoes on the workbench. The wife exclaimed, "This is truly amazing. These shoes look like they've been made by magic. Who could have made such wonderful shoes? Indeed, I'm curious. Let's hide tonight and see who makes these shoes." The shoes sold quickly, and with the profits, they bought new leather to make more shoes. They decided to stay up all night to find out who their benefactor was. That night, the shoemaker and his wife quietly waited. Suddenly, two small elves appeared and started making shoes. They moved with incredible speed and skill, their tiny hands working almost magically. The elves wore worn and tattered clothes, but they worked hard and with great care. The wife said, "Now I see these little friends have been helping us. How can we help them in return?" The shoemaker, wanting to express his gratitude, suggested, "How about we make new clothes for their worn-out attire?" So the shoemaker and his wife decided to make warm and comfortable clothes for the elves as a way of thanking them for their help. That night, when the elves came back, they found new clothes made to their size and danced with joy. As they left the house, the elves said, "May the kind people who gave us these wonderful clothes be filled with good fortune." After that, the elves never appeared again. But the shoemaker and his wife lived happily ever after, thanks to the wealth they gained with the elves' help. This story teaches us the importance of sharing and gratitude. It also imparts the lesson that we should be thankful for help that comes from unexpected places.
Subscribe for more videos.